LiftPac Standard Installation Instructions. When preparing the loading frame for use, be sure to place the frame on a level surface. Ensure that the frame sidewalls are closed, and tighten the ratchet binders so that there is no slack in the chain. Next, insert all 8 corner pins in place. To prepare the LiftPac for installation, first remove LiftPac from the pallet and be sure to unfold with the zipper top up. Holding the top corners of the LiftPac, position it over the loading frame, making sure to align the long sides of the bag with the long sides of the loading frame. When the LiftPac is properly aligned, shake the bag so that the bottom falls away and into the loading frame. Ensure that all of the lifting straps are draped over the top of the loading frame. Using bungee straps or rope, secure all of the straps on the bag to the binder chain. Once the bag is secured, unzip the LiftPac and drape the top flap over the top of the loading frame. An IP-2 designated bag will have an additional inner zippered flap which must be opened to gain access to the inner duffel. If the LiftPac has an inner duffel, open the duffel fully and also drape it over the top of the loading frame. Be sure to push the inner corner of the LiftPac into the corners and bottom of the loading frame using a blunt object. Begin loading. Only fill the LiftPac to within 3 to 4 inches from the top seam of the inside of LiftPac. Overfilling could provide problems when closing the bag. When you are done loading the LiftPac, gather the inner duffel to the center point and tie together with the attached tie webbing. To ensure closure redundancy, fold the top of the tied duffel and secure using duct tape. If loading an IP-2 LiftPac, close the inner flap using the zipper pulls. When closing the zipper, inspect the zipper tracks for debris and remove if necessary. Also, ensure that all zipper teeth are properly aligned. Using the webbing pull loop, pull the zipper around the short side, down the long side, and down the opposite short side. If a zipper becomes stuck, work it back and forth until it's free. If this doesn't work, use the redundant zipper on the opposite side and zip it until it meets the other zipper. When you have finished closing the zipper, secure the zipper pulls by tying together. Now, repeat the previous 2 steps for the outer zipper closure. After tying the zipper pulls together, attach a tamper-proof device if applicable. The LiftPac is now ready for lifting. Carefully inspect the loaded and sealed LiftPac, making sure that the top flap zipper is completely closed and secured. Next, locate and inspect lifting straps for damage. During the inspection of each strap, detach the Velcro straps from the top guide loops around the top outer perimeter of the LiftPac and remove each strap from the top guide loops. Failure to remove the straps from the top guide loops will exert unnecessary stress on the package. Now, attach the lifting frame to a crane or forklift. Position the lifting frame directly over the LiftPac so that each lifting hook is in a position to accept a corresponding lifting strap. Once the lifting frame and the bag are aligned, attach 1 strap per hook, making sure that the safety latch is completely secured and closed after attaching. Prior to lifting the LiftPac, check to make sure that each hook has only 1 strap, and each strap is in a vertical position relative to the corresponding hook on the lifting frame. Ensure that the straps are not threaded through the top of the loading frame. To begin the lifting procedure, remove all of the 8 corner pins from the loading frame. Once these pins are removed, slowly release the tension on the binder chains. Loosen the chain just enough for the loading frame walls to begin to separate and pull away from the LiftPac. Now, slowly begin to lift the bag until there is even tension on all of the lift straps. Shortly after starting the lift, pause and double-check that all of the straps are properly connected and safely attached to all hooks. When you have confirmed that, continue lifting until the LiftPac is completely lifted out of the loading frame. When the LiftPac has cleared the top edges of the loading frame, move the LiftPac to a stockpile area and lower until there is enough slack in the straps to remove them from the lifting frame hooks. Now it is safe to remove the straps from the lifting frame hooks. Once the straps are removed, move the lifting frame away from the LiftPac and reattach lifting straps to the belt loop straps with the Velcro straps on the top of the LiftPac. Finally, secure the lifting straps by weaving a tie string or bungee cord through all of the LiftPac lifting straps. Tie them together at the center point of the top of the bag.